What's up everybody, and in this tutorial, let's just now get right into it straight away. If you like, okay, so in the last tutorial I teach you guys how to make not this series, okay. Can you guys please make so Xiaoran Wang, yeah, his channel is also, his Scratch channel is RW0811, I guess. Yeah. Okay, so if you like this video, please support me and subscribe. So if you like my videos. If you don't like, you can dislike, but please subscribe. Please subscribe to support my small channel. Okay. So first, we don't need this, so we will actually in this tutorial, it will say how to pixel out. So as you guys know, pixel art, Scratch can't do pixel art, right? Okay, so when I use the paint brush, so as you see this is vector. So as you can see, there is no pixel things here. Okay, so as you see, if I put it very small, there's still no pixel things here. Okay, so all you can see is a very smooth lines here. As you can see, look. If I'm not draw smoothly, they will like correct you here. And that is vector already. If you convert to bitmap, you will see that it's like kind of a bit pixel. But as you can see, this is not pixel. This is vector. This is, yeah, this is pixel, not vector. I mean, yeah, it's not pixel, it's bitmap. I mean, so how to do pixel? How do you do pixel art? First, I'll just clean this up a bit. Okay, so I cleaned that up and zoom super in, like, yeah, until here. Then you take this, put it to super small until 1. Then as you can see, until you can see like the mouse is like a bit like clogged up. The thing is a bit clogged up, and as you can host. So yeah, here I'll just draw a simple car. Okay, pause the video. Okay, so I am done with my car here. So just gonna change. I'm just gonna put the color inside here. So since it's gradient, we're just gonna change it to this color. The default color of Scratch. So now, as you can see, it's very powerful. So now we will change this to black to do pixel art. So kind of like that. Okay, so what I've done here, let me just convert it. So what I've done here is that I put this line here and these two boxes here. I put one whole box and then I draw a line here. So now we have a car here, and this is very small because we have set the size to only 1. Yes, here if you zoom out, it's so small. So we set size to 400. So now, okay, 500, 700 is good. I think 700 is good. So as you can see, there will be cars. So I just wrote a car here. I'm just gonna name this pixel art. So this is how you can draw pixel art. Okay, car. So since this is a car, I will try to find a backdrop. Yeah, so now we have this backdrop which is colorful city. Just gonna keep this backdrop. Yeah, so I will just make this car move along the way. So we will do a simple, very simple this code. Take a if on it bounce, a set rotation style, and move 10 steps. Now take a when flag clicked and go control forever. And now we will say go to. So about go to here. So change this. Go to 186 minus 77. Set rotation style left right if on H bounce and move 10 steps. So now, as you can see, it will keep moving, and if on H, it will bounce. Okay. So I want to make this kind of smoke kind of back. Okay, please. So I'm just gonna make that right now. And yeah, so I basically made 4 people here. So the car just moves behind these people. Okay, so the objective of this game, I'm just gonna make this game like he will pick up all those passengers. Yeah, so I'm just gonna code it. Okay, so I basically just make more of the man of the people. So it's okay, it picked up all the people on the road that's waiting for this. So now we will change this to zoom in, and we will put some text on it. Pixel because this is pixel. And yeah, it is too big, so I'm just gonna so I mean actually it no need any text. Yeah, like this is fine. Yeah, like this is fine. So yeah, basically it picks up all the people. So yeah, I just made a simple game with pixel art just that the people are not pixel. So yeah, if you like this tutorial, subscribe. If you like my content, subscribe. And if you like this tutorial, subscribe. And like this video, comment. If you don't like, no need to do all these. And yeah, just pick them up. Yeah. That will be the end of this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. See you in the next tutorial or video. Bye.